Okay guys, now we do section 3. Section 3 is really challenging, whether it is academic or general training. But you need certain skills for that. I told you language skills and test techniques, both are going to work out. The California gold rush of 1849. Now we understand California gold rush. Gold rush means everybody was running for gold. We don't understand, beyond that. You don't need to guess even. Don't guess, okay? The California gold rush of 1849. Next, subtitle. The discovery of gold. Now we understand. The discovery of gold in the Sacramento Valley sparked the gold rush, arguably one of the most significant events to shape American history in the 19th century. In California, they found the reserves of gold and people rushed to that area. For example, in Pakistan, if they announce tomorrow that in KPK there is an area and the gold reserves are there, people will run. They will go there. We need to find the gold and all that. Yeah. So this is all about that. Now just imagine in one area gold was discovered. People were rushing to that. So the type of information that may come. Now we go to the next page. Page number 26, we have multiple choice. Got it? Yeah, multiple choice. Page number 27, we have which paragraph contains the following information. Page number 28, we have summary completion. So it's a good idea to start with summary completion. You can easily get rid of that, okay? And then you can come back to other type of questions. Okay. Now, let's take a start. Page number 28, please. We start with summary completion, by the way. Is this all clear? You should decide which question type you need to start first, right? And always try to start with the easiest one. Now, basic techniques for extracting gold. So, and you can see there are two summaries. Now, listen, I give you some information about summary completion. Whenever we have summary completion, the questions and answers, they may be in the same order. Even if they are not in the same order, they will be grouped together. In one paragraph, they will be there. Maybe one answer is before the other one, right? So they may be in order or may not be in order, but they will be grouped together in one paragraph. If in summary, there are two paragraphs, it means two separate locations in the passage. If there is only one summary, then one location. Now over here, how many summaries can you see? Two summaries. That means two locations. Now, what is the type? Choose one word only. And let me tell you, in IELTS, is a word, the is a word, some is a word. So when one word only, you'll write just strictly one word. Now they say basic techniques for extracting gold. I tell you how to deal with this type of question. The most basic method used by many miners began with digging some dash out of a river. Look here, look here. Now the clue word is river. And they've mentioned digging some dash out of a river. Now for out of okay, listen here. If the answer is, for example, stones, I just tell you the technique, examiner's mindset. If the answer is digging some, for example, digging, okay, let's make it clay. Digging some clay out of a river. In the what do you say, passage, they might use the word, it starts by extracting river clay. River clay. What will be the answer? Clay. So over here they say out of a river and river clay is like that. Now scan the word river. Find the word river and then see digging what? What is it that they take out from the river and the process starts? Look for the word river. Got it? Scan left, right. Scan like crazy. Top, bottom, left, right. Okay, paragraph D. I tell you, paragraph D. Come on. Paragraph D. Found the word river? Such as River gravel. Now what do they say before that? Panning was the oldest way. The basic procedure was to place some gold bearing materials such as river gravel into a shallow pan. What will be the answer? Exactly, river gravel. And they say the most basic method used by many miners began with digging some gravel out of the river. Say digging nahi mil raha. Ye nahi mil raha, wo nahi mil raha. So you should understand. And now, by the way, out of a river and river gravel, this is also a type. Examiners keep this in mind when they make your test. So you should just see that out of the word of is usually like that. They use apostrophe. For example, if it is Asad's house, in the question it's written Asad's house. In the audio they say house of Asad. Like that. Okay, let's move on. Now there is some space, there is some part written, but you will only come to question number 38, and before question number 38 where there is the last full stop, after that you have to read. Found it? Gold dust. Gold dust. Now gold dust is your clue word here. Gold dust which weighed more remained in the pan, or if the miners were lucky there might even be some dash too. Look here, one is gold dust, and if the miners are lucky there would be some other thing. So answer will come with gold dust. Now scan the word gold dust, and where you found the word gravel, river gravel, just right ahead of that you will find this answer. Same paragraph. Don't yell the answer. When I ask you, then tell me. Answer will come with gold dust. Got it? So the answer is? Nuggets. Only nuggets. Now listen. It's one word only. Right answer will be wrong. Then you say, oh, hi, eki hoya. Minu samajh hi nahi aayi. Okay? So one word only, so you will write only nuggets. My children like chicken nuggets very much, but gold nuggets will be awesome. Just imagine that you find some gold nuggets from River Ravi or the canal outside. Yeah. All right, that's good. Okay, so nuggets will be the answer. Is this clear? Now see, once you do this, you'll be quite comfortable that there are 4 questions and I have answered 4 questions. Now and never come into a situation where you are rushing. Rushing means only 10 minutes left and you have a complete passage to do. When you rush to something, your abilities, your skills, your intelligence, it all fails. Then you're not there. So try to control the situation. Don't let the situation control you actually.